Hello, today I will unbox, set up and test this large IKEA VAGHOJD dimmable LED floor lamp with article number 105.012.71. This is a great lamp for the living room or home office. It's huge, so before buying it, it's best to visit an IKEA store and see it in person. You can rotate the arm and adjust the head's angle as needed. It provides soft mood lighting upwards and brighter light downwards. You can also adjust the brightness using the dimmer. This floor lamp gives you overhead lighting without needing a ceiling outlet. It takes up little floor space since you can slide the lamp base under the sofa. By dimming the light, you can change the mood of the room. Has anyone tried this lamp yet?